This is the rodent blockers we use. We tested a few plastic variations, hard plastic, single flap, before we settled upon these, which are the double flap and offer double protection. So like a marine treated metal that doesn't rust. Flaps go this way with the flow, and anything that comes up to it can't get through. It's also got the serrated and spiked edge, so when they try and pick it up, they don't manage to lift it. I'm going to hop in there and install the rodent blocker. So just pushing it into place, make sure the wings are secured directly around and it's fixed where it won't move, and then just moving the flaps just to make sure they move, and we will flow test it for inside to make sure there's no blockages or it's flowing correctly. And yeah, that's it.